Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the advantages and disadvantages of power electronic system. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. First we will see the advantages of power electronic system. We know that this power electronic system is nothing but we are using the electronic devices in a high power rating because we are going to control the power. So high rated power electronic system, that is called a power semiconductor devices, that is used to control and convert the power. We are doing two things. One is controlling the power as well as converting the power from DC to AC or AC to AC, AC to DC, like that. So here we are using semiconductor devices in a high rating to control the power system as well as convert the power system. In this we will see what are the advantages. High efficiency due to the low loss in power semiconductor devices. The loss will be more while using conventional method. Loss will be more. Here losses are less, so high efficiency. High reliability of power electronic converter system. While using power electronic system, automatically will get high reliability. Long life and less maintenance due to absence of any moving part. That's a very important advantage. There is no moving part, so there is a maintenance is very less. Flexibility in operation. Fast dynamic response compared to electromechanical converter system. So here the response is very more in the while using semiconductor device. Small size and less weight, low installation cost. So these are all the advantages. So while using the solid state device, automatically will get high efficiency, high reliable, low maintenance, flexibility in operation, response, fast response, small size, weight is less, loss lower in installation. All these advantages we are getting. At the same time, some disadvantages are available. We'll see this one by one. Disadvantages of power electronic system. Circuits in power electronic system have a tendency to generate harmonics in the supply system as well as load circuit. So the power electronics circuit generate the harmonics. So that will both in the supply side as well as load side. That will reduce the performance of the circuit. AC to DC and AC to AC converter operate at low input power factor under certain operating condition. So AC to DC, AC to AC. In both the cases, AC is the input. So that is operated at low power factor. In particular condition, low power factor, that also will reduce the performance of the circuit. Regeneration of power is difficult in power electronics converter system. So regeneration is very difficult. In case of conventional system, regeneration is possible. The last one, power electronics controller have low overload capacity. So certain limitations are there. Power rating, current rating, voltage rating. So we cannot go for overloading capacity. These are all the disadvantages of power electronic system. So in this video we discuss what is power electronic system, what are the advantages and disadvantages. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.